Welcome back to my channel. So in this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make animated videos in Canva. So to start off the design, first of all, we need to get the name of the fruits and, you know, have them introduce themselves in ChatGPT. So let's head over to ChatGPT, our fruits. So here in ChatGPT, I asked ChatGPT to list 20 fruits children love to eat. So it gave me these suggestions: apple, bananas, grapes, 20 of them. So I came back and asked, can you make the fruits introduce themselves? And this is what it gave me. So each of the fruits introduce themselves. So we'll be using this introduction for the speech. And then now we have an idea of the 20 fruits. So let's kick off the design for our characters. So here in Canva, let me zoom this in. This is a 1080 by 1350 blank page. Let's head over to elements. And what we need is a plum. So we'll start off with a plum. Search for plum. We'll be using this one. This one is called plum illustration. So that's what we need. Select it. And then we need to get our cartoon face, cartoon legs, and cartoon hands. So let's get this cartoon cartoon legs. Just once you search for cartoon legs, the name is cartoon retro legs character. So we need to resize this. And then let's get this face, cartoon smiling face, that's the name. Resize it. Let me zoom in a little more. I need to push these legs behind, center back, and make sure it is centered. So here is the cartoon face, well positioned. Let's get our cartoon hand. Resize. Place it here. Duplicate it. Bring it to this side and flip. And let's select both of them. Let's go to position and ensure that it is middle aligned. So now that we've confirmed that the hands are middle aligned, so they are well aligned, we can now move them to the back. So one last thing we need to do here is to change the color of the hands and the legs. So change the white color. Let me use a color picker so you can pick a color from our plum. We also need to change this other one to and the legs. So we're only changing the white part of both legs and hands. And let's group this. Let's group all of them. So this is our character. And from what I've shown you, you should be able to do for any of the fruits. Now, we need to add some animation to this character. To do this, we'll be using animated drawing. So I need to download this character and then go over to animated drawing to add some animation. Then we return to Canva. So we'll be using animated drawing for the animation. So let's upload our image. So here is our image. Now you can see the instruction by the just take your time to go through the checklist and see what instruction you have to abide by. Let's click on next, agree. So checklist resize the box to ensure it tightly fits one character. So let's resize this box. So when we're done resizing, click on next. If the body parts of your character are not highlighted, use the pen and eraser tool to fix it. So but the parts for my character are highlighted, so I'll just click on next. Here now you can adjust where you find the joints, character joints. You can adjust if your character doesn't have any arm. Just pay attention to the checklists. But for in my case, let's proceed because I think everything is okay. So here are the different animations you can choose from. So here now, if the animation it gives you, if the joints are distorted, you can still fix it. You can click on fix and go back to the previous page to reset the joints. So let's wait for the cartoon. So this is our cartoon animation added. But let me check out this other option. I think I prefer this, so we'll go with this. So to download this, I'll just click on full screen and then download. Now here is where we'll be generating our AI voice. It is called 11labs.io. That's the website. I could have done this in Canva, but I didn't find a kid's voice. So I needed something that sounds like a kid, a voice that sounds like that of a kid. So that's why I'm using this website. So we'll now enter our test rather. I already copied it from ChatGPT. Enter the test here. And this is the voice we'll be using, Gigi. There are other settings that you can choose from, but Gigi is American childish animation and then is used for animation mostly. So we'll be using Gigi for this. There are other settings that you can also do, but everything is okay. Let me go ahead and generate the voice. So this is the voice. We'll go ahead and download it. So it's very simple. So now that everything is done, we'll go back to Canva and what am I saying? We'll now go back to Canva and upload our animated character and the voice. So let's head over to Canva. All right, so because I want to post this video on Facebook, I'll be using a Facebook page selection size. So this is a Facebook video size. You can select it on from your Canva homepage. All right, so let's get our animation into the canvas and then our audio. I've already uploaded them, so I'll just bring them from my upload. I have it here. And then my audio. So as you can see, the audio the audio is about 5 seconds and the animation is about 9 seconds. So we can edit this by resizing the animation to fit the size of the audio. Then the next thing we can do to this is we need to remove the background of this so we can give it our own background. So you go to edit video and then remove background. Sorry, it's a little noisier on the background. Our background has been removed. So we need to add our own background here. So let's go to elements and search for cartoon background. Cartoon background. You can use this one, or let me use a photo instead. Let's use this one. And then set it as background image. It appears the background remover didn't work, so we have to redo it. I don't know why that didn't work. Done. So our background has been removed. We need to resize this. All right, let's play it and see what we've done so far. So this is our job. Now you can decide to add text to it or you leave it, but it's always best to add text to it, of course, so that you can beautify your cartoon. So guys, that's it for this tutorial. See you in my next tutorial, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.